Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's cleaning video, I am going to be cleaning up my kitchen, and this is actually right after I had filmed a grocery haul and done a big grocery shop. And we had just walked out of the house really early today, and so we didn't get a lot of our chores done, and I didn't get my morning cleaning routine finished up. So I had to go ahead and take care of that, as well as put all of my groceries away. So I figured I would take you guys along with me and give you guys some cleaning motivation. So to start out, I just wanted to go ahead and get everything off of my counters, including some of my recording equipment that I used for my haul video. Oh my gosh, Nerf bullets are seriously everywhere in my house. Let me know anyone else who can relate to this. I feel like there are Nerf bullets everywhere constantly. So moving on to all of my groceries that I just picked up, I am just starting out by putting everything away that doesn't have to be put into bags or prepped. And if you watch my grocery hauls, you know that I use reusable bags for getting my produce. And since they are mesh bags, I don't keep my produce in them while they're in my fridge. So I am kind of looking for a reusable bag that I can store my veggies in our fridge. So if you have a recommendation, definitely let me know in the comments below. But for right now, I am just using some big Ziploc bags. And I get these ones from IKEA, but what I do is I will actually just use them and then I will rinse them out and reuse them. So I use them so many times over and over again, so I'm not wasting a bunch of plastic. So I just went ahead and put everything into baggies and put it into the fridge that way, and I will wash it and prep it later on. I did want to go ahead and prep some salad because we were just getting back from vacation and we didn't have any salad in the fridge. And I don't know about you guys, but if my salad is not prepped, I am not going to go to all the extra work to make it usually. And so I always like to have some fresh salad in our fridge ready to go. So I just went ahead and chopped up a few heads of romaine lettuce and put it into my salad spinner. And this salad spinner I got when Kyle and I got married almost 10 years ago, and I really love it. I believe it's the KitchenAid brand, and if I can find it, I will go ahead and link it for you guys because I've gotten a lot of questions about it before. And once I have all the lettuce in there, I will just go ahead and rinse it out, and I really feel like this gets the lettuce nice and clean. And a little trick that I do to keep my lettuce from going brown right away is I actually put 1 or 2 pieces of paper towel at the bottom of my container, and then I put the lettuce on top of that. And what it does is it really just kind of soaks up any of the extra moisture. It doesn't dry your lettuce out at all, but it does make it last for almost an entire week. So definitely try that out if you haven't before. And then Liam came into the kitchen wanting some chocolate milk. He was at the grocery store with me, so he knew that we got some, and he was super excited that my haul was all done. He could not wait any longer to have some. So now that I have all of my cold produce put away, I just need to clear off my table from any of the produce mess and go ahead and put the rest of our fruits back onto our table. Let me know if anyone else does this and uses their fruit as a centerpiece and as decoration in their kitchen. I feel like it encourages us to eat it a lot more and it looks so pretty. And this was just the cutest little thing. Noah had just woken up from his nap and he came right over to me to give me some nugs. And of course Liam had to follow suit and go ahead and get some nugs as well.
Hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade.
Then moving back into the kitchen, I just had Liam help me put away the dishes. This is usually Luke and Liam's job in the morning. Before they have any electronics, they have to do the dishes as part of their morning chores. But as I said, we kind of had to rush out of the door this morning, so they didn't really have a chance to do it. So I went ahead and just had him help me out while he was in here. And then Noah decided to be just like his big brother and to start helping out as well.
Sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out of line. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on, and we're rebels at least for tonight.
Then I needed to load all of our morning dishes into the dishwasher, and then I needed to hand wash any of our extra dishes.
Heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a loss, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win.
And I get a lot of questions about this little scrubber brush. I really love it. It definitely helps me stretch my dish soap out a lot longer. And I actually get this from Grove Collaborative, but I did recently find out that they are out of stock, so I will have a link to Amazon in the description box below in case you are interested in checking it out.
I'm with you. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, so talk up, when I'm with you, I'm with you.
And as you know, if I have dishes sitting in my sink, I will definitely wash it out. I usually just wash it out with soap and water, but this is the new product that I really wanted to try. It is the Mrs. Meyer's Surface Scrub, and I found out about this from my friend Sarah from the Mama Lounge. She said that it worked so good, so I was really excited to get this from Grove recently and try it out, and so far I am loving it. It's really good to just shine and polish up your sink, so I am definitely a fan. Let me know in the description box below what your favorite part of a cleaning video is. For me, it is completely cleaning out and rinsing out the sink. It is just like the best thing for me to see in a cleaning video. I absolutely love it. I know a lot of you guys have said that you love this too, and I know a lot of you guys have also said that you love the vacuuming, but leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part of any cleaning video is.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got
And of course, I am adding some essential oils into my sink. If you haven't tried this yet, try it out. You will thank me later. It is so awesome. It makes your sink smell so, so good. Next, I just needed to dry off my dishes that I had hand washed and get those put away.
So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out. Your doubts won't hold us down. 'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live.
Then moving on to the counters, I am just using my very favorite cleaner that I use in almost all of my cleaning videos. It is the Caldrea All-Purpose Cleaner, and the scent is in sea salt neroli. It smells amazing, you guys. If you haven't tried it out yet, I definitely cannot recommend this enough. It smells so incredible. And if you watch my cleaning videos, you know that I get most all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. And as usual, I will have a link in the description box below that will give you several free goodies. So definitely check that out if you are interested in ordering from them. And the last thing I wanted to go ahead and do was just wipe down my fridge. I am just using the e-cloth that I always use, and all you do is just wipe it down with a wet cloth that is just wet with water, and then wipe it down with the e-cloth, and it will clean any stainless steel so incredibly well, and there will be zero streaks. So I will leave a link to them down below as well. They're having a really great sale. You can get a 2-pack of e-cloths for like $8, so definitely check that out. Now, I wasn't really planning on cleaning my living room, but all the kiddos were in there and it wasn't really that dirty, so I just had them go ahead and pick up all their toys. And Noah has been loving vacuuming lately, which I am not complaining about. So a lot of our vacuuming recently has been due to him, but it is just the cutest thing watching him walk around vacuuming our floors. I'm definitely going to miss the days when they vacuum voluntarily. So the last thing I wanted to do was just give my floors a quick vacuum. It doesn't take long at all and it makes such a difference. Now this is the cordless vacuum that I was actually sent by Procenic. I was really excited to try this out because, as I've said in a previous cleaning video, it is way cheaper than a Dyson vacuum. I will say it's not quite as good on a carpet, but if you have a lot of hardwood floors or tile, it works incredible, and I would definitely recommend this vacuum because it is a lot more cost effective. And I was actually thinking about asking them if they would be interested in doing a giveaway, so if you'd be interested in seeing a giveaway from Procenic for one of these vacuums, leave me a comment down below letting me know that you're interested, and that way I will know to be able to ask them, and hopefully they will say yes.
And I'll take your pain, baby. I'll wear it out like a raider in the dark. I'll be coming to light your spark. No need to hide, baby. No need to doubt. When you face a closing door, I'll be showing you so much more. When you need it, know that I'll be around, not leaving. When you need it, when you need it, when you need it. You still got no words, and that goes with her. We'll take some time to put it right. But even if the walls come down, I'll be taking you to higher ground, and peace of mind will be alright. Yeah, I know that.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some good cleaning motivation. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.